Hello everyone. Today we start a new module number 3, and module number 3 name is a plain and reinforced concrete construction. So in this module we discuss about the introduction about the concrete, then after types of concrete, and here main three types of the concrete we discuss, but we discuss only plain cement concrete means PCC. So first we start this module by introduction about the concrete. So what is concrete? So concrete is a versatile construction material which can be prepared and cast on the site and fill up in a mold of any shape. So if the reinforcement is provided in the form of the steel bar, it become a RCC, means here RCC means reinforced cement concrete, and if the reinforcement is not provided, so it's a PCC, means plain cement concrete. And generally RCC used in a construction industry is a more than 70% of the construction is going on the RCC work. Now definition of the concrete. So concrete is defined as a uniform mixture of the cement, sand, aggregate and water in a prescribed proportion, and which sets harden and acquire strength over a period of the time. The concrete operation consists of measuring the ingredient, mixing them to obtain a uniform mixture, placing the concrete in a mold. Generally this mold is known as a formwork, and compacting, allowing to set, and then after curing for a appropriate period, and generally after 28 days it is hardened. So it's a general criteria of a concrete. Now here process diagram or of a concrete is given. So here main 9 step is given. So in these 9 steps, one by one we discuss. So first step is a procurement of ingredient of concrete. So here there are main 4 type of the material generally used. First is a cement, second is a sand, third one is a aggregate, and fourth one is a water. It's a general process for making a concrete, and if the reinforcement is provided, so we require reinforcement. Now next is the storage and handling. So where we store the material. So if if we use the cement, so cement store in a cool and dry place. Clear? So here why we cement store in a cool and dry place? Because if the cement is contact with water, so it's hardened in a small time. So and then after sand and aggregate, both the material are stored in a open area or near the site. Then after batching, so here batching is mostly depend on a ratio of the concrete. So concrete ratio is like a 1:1.5:2. So it's a one type of the ratio, and batching is prepared by 1 part of the cement, 1.55 part of the sand, and 2 part of the aggregate. Then after batching, placing is required. So placing is generally we place the material near the site, so it's easy for transportation. Now next topic is a transporting. So here concrete is transported uh, by the pump or by the manually. Clear? So here generally if the site is larger site, so RMC plant is generally prepared near the site or on site, and then after material is transported by the pump, and then after mixing. So mixing is properly mixer machine is required if the work is larger. so mixer machine is required, and if work is small, so hand mix is done by to prepare concrete. Then after, next is a compacting. After fill up the concrete in a mold or a formwork, compacting is compulsory required to reduce the honeycombing structure or to reduce the uh, gap between the two particles. So here compacting, we use the vibrator machine. So here vibrator machine, there are different type of the vibrator machine like needle vibrator, surface vibrator, formwork vibrator. So these type of the vibrator we generally use to compact the concrete. Now after compaction of the concrete, we apply mustard on the surface of the concrete for a final finishing. Now then after curing. So here curing, we apply the water or sprinkle the water on the surface of the concrete for getting the strength of the concrete. So here generally 2 weeks curing is required. So after curing, we got the strength. Now last one is a finishing. So how to finish the concrete work? So finishing, for a finishing work, mustard is required for the finishing work, and on the above surface of the concrete we apply the plaster work or putty work on the surface of the concrete for a final finishing, for getting the smooth surface. Now next is a necessity. Next is a necessity of supervision for a concrete operation. So here necessity is for mixing the concrete proportion of ingredients. Next is for ensuring the concrete does not set or harden before placing in the formwork. For maintain the WC ratio. So what is WC ratio? Is a water cement ratio for the getting the correct strength. Now next is for correct amount of compaction. Over compaction may lead to segregation or bleeding, causes honeycombing structure. Now next is for curing properly and for good quality concrete as a finished product. Now here different grade of the concrete generally we use as per the Indian standard IS 456-2000. So it's a Indian standard code IS 456-2000. So as per the recommendeds of IS, grade of the concrete is based on 28 days compressive strength. So after 28 days, when we check the strength, so we got the sum of the value. So we got the value in the form the Newton per mm square. So it's a grade of the concrete is totally depend on it after getting the 28 days compressive strength. So concrete is graded into 7 grade: M10, 15, 20, 25, M30, M35 and M40. Now we discuss on a concrete is a ordinary concrete. So ordinary concrete as per the IS 456-2000, M10 grade, M15 grade, M20 grade, M25 grade are come under the classification of the ordinary concrete or a normal mix of the concrete, and the proportion of the normal mix of the concrete is given in a table like M10 grade. So proportion is given 1:3:6. So what is 1:3:6? Is a 1 is a 1 part of the cement, 3 is a 3 part of the sand, and 6 is a 6 part of the aggregate. Now if we take in the form the weight, so like 1 kg of the cement, 3 kg of the sand and 6 kg of the aggregate. Now various mixes have a compressive strength after 28 days. So in this table we got a compressive strength after 28 days. So for checking the compressive strength, 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter we prepare concrete cube, and for getting the one mix compressive strength we prepared 3 cube, and average of the 3 cube we got the final value of the compressive strength. So like if we prepare M10 grade concrete, so first M10 grade concrete proportion is a 1:3:6. So here 1 part of this cement, 3 part of the sand and 6 part of the aggregate mix properly and prepare a 3 mold of the 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter, and after 7 days 3 cube we test, after 14 days 3 cube we test, and after 28 days 3 cube we test, and then after final value of the all the 3 cubes, average value is a final strength of the 7 days, 14 days and 28 days. And generally after 28 days we got a strength is a compressive strength of the concrete. If we got a compressive strength 10 Newton per mm square, means it's a M10 grade of the concrete. Now next is a standard concrete mix. So here standard concrete mix is a M30 grade, M35 grade and M40 grade of the concrete are known as a standard concrete mix. Now compressive strength of the standard concrete mix given in a table, like 30 Newton per mm square, M35 is a 35 Newton per mm square and M40 is a 40 Newton per mm square. So this strength we got after 28 days. Now minimum grade of the concrete of different exposure condition. So here some of the condition is given, and minimum grade required for the complete the concrete work is given. So here exposure condition, like for reinforced cement concrete or RCC work, so minimum grade of the concrete required is a M10 grade, and for a water retaining structure, so M30 grade of the concrete is required. Next is a sea water construction, so for M30 grade concrete is required, and for pre-stressed concrete work M40 grade concrete is required. Now next slide we discuss on types of concrete. So here there are main 4 types of the concrete. First is a PCC, means plain cement concrete. Second one is a RCC, means reinforced cement concrete. Third one is a PC, means precast concrete, and fourth one is a pre-stressed concrete. Now today we discuss on this lecture only on plain cement concrete. In the next lecture we discuss another 3 concrete. Now first we start a plain cement concrete. The short form of the plain cement concrete is a PCC. Now what is PCC? So PCC is a mixture of the cement, sand and aggregate, and then after we add a water. So after we getting the material, it's called a plain cement concrete. So here in a plain cement concrete no reinforcement is provided, so it's called a plain. Plain means no reinforcement is provided. So the grade of the PCC are generally is a M15 grade concrete, M20 grade and M25 grade concrete. Now here what is M? M is a mix, and the number is given the compressive strength after 28 days exposed in the Newton per mm square. So after 28 days we got a 15 Newton per mm square strength, so it's a M15 grade concrete. Now the process or a procedure for deciding the proportion of the various mix of the mix for the particular mix term as a concrete mix design. The proportion of the ingredient for a various mix can be designed by using the nominal mix. For example, like a 1:2:4. So here 1 part of the cement, 2 part of the fine aggregate and 4 part of the coarse aggregate. And along with water, proportion of the water cement ratio make the concrete of a M15 grade concrete. And the concrete is manufactured either by hand mix or machine mix using the volume batching or weight batching technique. So here in a next slide we discuss on a hand mix. So how to mix the material or how to prepare a concrete by hand mix. So first of all we mix the cement and sand in a dry form, clear, and dry form we easily mix the cement sand, and after mixing the cement sand we all the material throw on a aggregate, means coarse aggregate, and then after coarse aggregate, cement and sand mix very well in a dry form, and then after we prepare uh, one gap in a dry mix, and then after we pour the water as per our requirement, and then after we mix the concrete genuinely by shovel. Now in a machine mix, next is a machine mix concrete. So here see yellow color machine is seen. So in this machine mix concrete, first we throw the aggregate in a mixture pan, then after then after sand, and then after cement, and all the materials are genuinely mixed in the form the dry, and then we add the water for a genuinely mix. Now rotate the mixture pan for 2 minutes for getting the very well mixed concrete, and then after tilt the pan and collect the mixed concrete material in a bucket. See in a figure number 2 or a photo number 2. Now plain cement concrete has a very less tensile strength. So here no reinforcement is provided, so here tensile strength is less, so therefore it is not used for the flexural member, and its use more common in a leveling course over the plinth or below the footing. In a lean concrete mix is used to fill the column in terrace. And here one of the table is provided. So here in this table we discuss on the name of the construction job and concrete mix we required. So first serial number 1 is a leveling course below the footing mass concrete for a heavy wall. So here concrete mix proportion is required 1:4:8 or 1:5:10. Now name of these another construction job is a concrete flooring, compound wall, parapet wall, ordinary machine foundation, mass concrete in a piers and abutment. So here plain cement concrete means 1:3:6 is compulsory required. Next is a third construction job is a damp proof course. So here DPC concrete mix ratio is a 1:2:4 is the only simple PCC. Now general RCC work in a building with beam, column, slab, stair, lintel, machine foundation, etc. So here minimum concrete mix design is required 1:1.5:3. Now in a water retaining structure, it's a one type of the construction job. So here concrete mix design is required is a 1:2:3, and a precast fencing pole or a precast telephone poles. So concrete mix design is required is a 1:2:2, and precast concrete or heavy loaded column long span arches we required 1:1:2 concrete mix or above the 1:1:2. Now another type of the concrete is a precast concrete. So in a next lecture we discuss on a precast concrete. Thank you.